You know that feeling. You're walking across your living room and something just feels off. Maybe your floor dips a little, maybe it creaks more than it used to, or maybe your coffee table is constantly trying to start a conversation because it wobbles. It's easy to shrug this off. Homes settle, right? But I'm here to tell you, not all settling is harmless. Sometimes that uneven floor is a sign of a deeper, more serious problem. We've been crawling under homes and drilling through concrete for years. Trust me, if your floors feel uneven, they probably are, and we need to find out why. So let's dive in. What does uneven floors actually mean? We're not talking about a squeaky floorboard. When homeowners talk about uneven floors, they usually mean one of three things: a slope in a certain direction, noticeable dips or bounces, or a visible hump or bulge. These issues don't happen by accident. Something is shifting underneath the surface, whether that's the foundation, the subfloor, or the soil itself. So, how can you tell for sure? Look for these telltale clues. Your furniture leans or wobbles, doors suddenly stick shut or swing open on their own, you see cracks in the walls, especially above door frames, or you simply feel like you're walking slightly uphill or downhill. Let's break down the causes by home type, because a slab issue isn't the same as a crawl space problem. Cause number one is foundation settlement. For our slab or stem wall homes in California and Arizona, the soil is the main troublemaker. Expansive clay soils, dry conditions, even monsoon rains, they all cause your foundation to settle and shift. And as the slab moves, your floor moves right along with it. Cause number two is crawl space sagging. If you have a raised foundation, your floors are supported by wooden beams resting on piers. Over time, moisture, rot, or shifting soil can cause these supports to break down or sink. The warning signs here are soft, springy feeling in spots, gaps between your baseboards and floor, and maybe even a musty smell. And finally, sometimes it's not a foundation issue at all, it's just poor construction, water damage, or general wear and tear in an older home. But even then, you need an expert to confirm it. Okay, so why can't you just live with it? We get it. Foundation work is a serious investment, but ignoring uneven floors will cost you even more in the long run. First, you risk worsening structural damage. What starts as a small dip could become a massive compromised foundation crack. Second, it decreases your home value. Appraisers and potential buyers will notice a sloped floor and use it to negotiate thousands off the price. Third, you could be risking water intrusion under the slab or into the crawl space. And fourth, it's a safety hazard. Uneven floors are trip hazards, especially for families with kids or elderly loved ones. Don't wait for the problem to grow. So, what's the solution? At Dalinghaus, we always start the same way, a free, no-pressure inspection. We diagnose the root cause and build a custom repair plan that actually works. If you have a slab foundation, we might use helical or push piers. We install these steel piers deep into stable soil to lift and permanently support the foundation. Or we use a slab leveling with polyurethane foam injections. We inject a high density foam beneath the slab to lift sunken concrete back into place. It's clean, fast, and often non-invasive. If you have a crawl space, we use heavy-duty crawl space jacks like our adjustable smart jacks to shore up sagging beams and re-level your floor from underneath. If the problem is humidity or rot, we'll recommend moisture control or full encapsulation to protect your home long term. We fix the symptoms and the cause. A quick note for our Arizona and California homeowners, the soil conditions here are extreme, whether it's the expanding clay after monsoon season in Arizona or seismic activity here in California, your floors might be moving because your foundation is. Get it checked. Our process is simple and straightforward. You get a free inspection with honest answers, a detailed evaluation to find the root cause, a custom repair plan with clear options, and an expert repair backed by a solid warranty. Don't just take my word for it. Mark and Jen in Anaheim thought it was a squeaky board. We found a big crawl space issue. Reggie in Peoria, Arizona used our foam injection and had his floor leveled in a single day. Don't wait for the problem to grow, or for your dining table to finally slide across the room. Uneven floors aren't just annoying, they're a sign your home is asking for help. Schedule your free inspection with Dalinghaus Construction today. We'll get to the root cause of the issue and fix it the right way, because peace of mind should be built into your foundation. Thanks for watching, and remember, never settle, because your home deserves a solid foundation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.